Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'm sharing a preview of this month's bundle of printables that's now available in my Junk Journal Printables Club. If you want to know more about the Printables Club, you can find the link in the description below. This month's printable junk journal kit is titled Bouquets and Butterflies and includes 10 printable papers or junk journal pages and 5 pages of junk journal elements and ephemera. The imagery includes lots of lovely flowers and butterflies, which are my favourite, and these printables are perfect to include in all your junk journals. The printable pages can be used as pages for your junk journals or used as tear sheets or collage sheets. You can print and use the pages just as they are, and if you're using a no-sew junk journal like mine, all you need to do is fold the page in half and crease it, then insert it into your journal. I've been filling this journal with pages and elements from the Junk Journal Printables Club for the last several months. And even though each month's journal kit is different, you can see that the journal is beginning to look quite interesting with all the different imagery. Using a no-sew junk journal, together with simple and quick techniques for making pages and elements, I think is a super easy way to get started with junk journals. So if you've never made a junk journal before, be sure to give this type of journal a try. You can also use the pages together with my digital border templates to create quick and easy junk journal pages with decorative edges. These templates can be purchased separately in my online store. The templates are easy to use. You can use your own paper, such as scrapbook paper, or digital papers in a photo editing program such as Photoshop, Affinity Photo, or even Canva. Also included in this month's kit is lots of elements and ephemera, including clip art, tags, labels, pockets and envelopes, and some vintage ephemera. These envelopes are easy to assemble. The flaps on this little envelope simply fold over, and you can insert a couple of small cards, a note, or some small pieces of clip art. This envelope is slightly larger, and can also fit a couple of small cards or other bits of ephemera. As well as the junk journal kit, this month I've included a printable template with a set of expandable pockets in various sizes. These templates are easy to use, and they help you to create your own junk journal elements in no time at all. The templates include a PDF format and a PNG format. To use the PDF templates, load your own paper, such as printable paper or scrapbook paper, into your printer. Then print the PDF file. Make sure the page scaling option is set to none so that it prints at the correct size. Your PDF dialog box might be different to mine, but you'll have a similar setting. The templates also come in PNG format, and you can use these files with digital papers in a photo editing program such as Photoshop or Photoshop Elements or Canva. I'm using Affinity Photo. It's easy to use these templates. Simply add a digital paper and move it to a layer underneath the template layer. You have a lot more design options when using the PNG templates, and you can add different papers to different sections of the template. Just make sure to place the papers on a layer underneath the template and then position them wherever you want. If the paper overlaps a design element, just add a layer mask and use a brush to mask out the bits that are overlapping. Once you're happy with the layout, you can save the file in the native file format so you can come back at a later time and edit it further if you want to. Then save the file in JPEG format and print it out onto a piece of cardstock. These pockets are easy to assemble and expand outwards so you can fit more in. To assemble the pockets, first make creases along the guidelines, then cut the pieces out. Press the bottom and the side tabs towards the back, then press the side tab extensions back out toward the edges. Apply some glue to the bottom tab and the side tab extensions. I'm using a tape runner, but you could use a strong craft glue or even double-sided tape. Press the bottom tab into position on the journal page, then press on the side tabs.